Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain how to create digital Christmas card on Canva for personal use or selling on Etsy and Marketplace. So let's start. First of all, we will open Canva, log into Canva for free, or you can use Canva Pro free for a month where you will access to all pro features and high quality downloads. So we will start with create a design. So we'll click on create custom size, then we will change into the inches. Width will be 5 and height will be 7, and then we will create new design. So when we are on this page, we will go to elements, and then we will type a soft texture paper, or we will type a soft baggy paper, which will give you the paper, and you can just drag onto your page. Then we nicely drag into our page, and it will give a proper paper texture to our card. So now I'm going to reduce the transparency of the card, so which will give the premium look. So I have reduced it to 60, and then we will go to text. We will add a text, and then we will make it white and put Merry Christmas here. Then we will take this onto the up page, and then we will increase the size and give some effects and make it a bit bold. So the shadow is always the good one, so I'm doing with shadow, make it bit blurry, which make it a premium look. And you can also reduce the transparency for this one as well. And then we will go to elements and find the gold Christmas tree, because we are making a gold Christmas theme. So here we can see a lot of gold trees. We can choose one of those. We can drag onto our paper and make it nice and clean on our paper, which will give the premium look to our Christmas card. Now we can change the color of this Merry Christmas because it looks too weird. So I'm going to change it to gold. See how nice it looks now. Now we will duplicate the page, which will give the same page. We don't have to waste the time on making the page again. And then we can add a text, and we will write something here, wishing you joy, peace, and so once we are done with this, we can make this little thing in the center, so it looks nice. We can change into the play fair display, and we can increase the size a little bit, and then we will change the color as well to match with our theme. This looks nice, so I'm keeping this gold. And now I'm going to give the little space between the words and lines so that it looks clear and premium. This looks great. So now I'm going to add a tiny star little to give a little more premium look to this page. You can find everything in the elements, so I'm always going to in the elements when I need something which I can drag and drop in my card. So here is the star, which we make it in nice center and place it under the text. So there we go, our card is already ready to print. So now we download it. And how we download, we go to download, we will choose PDF print, which is always best for the downloads, and then we will hit download. So now I'm going to show that how it looks like after downloading. See, this is your Christmas card which you can print at home with the printer. You can print at Kmart, Big W, and you can give to your loved ones, or you can sell this on Shopify, Etsy, or the marketplace. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like, please share the video. Thank you.